on Obsolete But Neat. I'd like to show you this backpack hard drive. It was made by a company called MicroSolutions, the ultimate portable hard drive for PCs. USB and parallel port interface includes, which is hot plug-in deal, whatever. And this thing had 30 gigabytes, not terabytes, gigabytes of storage. So I got this thing probably back, I got it from Future Shop or Best Buy back in, I'd say probably the early 2000s, back when a 40 gig hard drive, and it, you know, there's 40 and 80 gigs hard drive. So this is my first external hard drive. I stored a lot of my video clips that I used with my AV MasterCard and to back up some of my videos for editing. So I haven't plugged this thing in quite a few years, so we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna hook it up to the computer. So now let's see what's inside the box. Ah, it's the snake again! Let's throw that on the floor. Okay. So it comes with a disc for drivers, I guess. Doesn't say which systems it works on, but oh yeah, here it is. It actually says right here. This says it works for the Windows 95 and 98 device drivers, DOS driver. So it works for DOS. I'm not sure if this works on the Amiga. Probably not. Not from 2000s when I got it. Comes with this thing. I don't know what that's for. It has a packing slip. That's just all that's there. So it has this parallel port here that it comes with. It comes with the power supply, and here's the hard drive. So it's a parallel port, power to computer, and that. Now this thing, I remember I only had USB, so I must have had a USB plug-in for it somewhere. Maybe it's not in this box, which means I'm screwed. Oh wait, here it is. Okay, well, that's quite the looking adapter. Has the parallel port which will plug into the device to USB. So really, that's what it comes with. It's this. Is this thing compatible? I don't know. Nope, don't fit the Amiga. Just out of curiosity if it fits in the Amiga. Nope. No, this is like a slightly bigger, different size plug. I was just curious about that. So my goal today is to put the 30 gigabytes onto this 3 terabyte drive and just have a backup of that data, because it is getting to be over 15 years old. So I'm going to try to put it on this hard drive. Okay, so I have the hard drive. I'm just going to plug it into the computer. I plugged in the power source, and you can hear it humming away there. So I'll see if it recognizes the drive in the computer. So it looks like it's not working. The hard drive is not connecting to the computer. It could be a driver issue because I'm running Linux here, and I'm actually surprised that it's not working, because usually Linux will find a drive and mount it, like USB drives. But this thing is so old, maybe it just no one's ever coded a driver for it. And I tried to put it on Windows. But also Windows, it tried to install the driver but failed to get the driver. So no go there. So this device is fit for the pit. This is what it would look like if adults acted like toddlers. Ah!